Hey everyone, Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're checking out two cars from the Hot Wheels Rescue Series from the 2020 M CASE, the Dodge Charger Drift, as well as the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. If you like to see all brand new Hot Wheels opened up, make sure you are a subscriber. Now let's get straight into it. Alright, now let's look at the Dodge Charger Drift, car 5 of 10 in that Hot Wheels Rescue Series. First time we've seen it in this color, so that's why we're checking it out today. Take a look at the police decals on the side there. Nice red tinted windows, almost looks like a red interior, but I'm gonna say it's gray, very hard to tell. Black base there, look at those wheels, pretty cool. Not sure what the number 68 stands for, let me know if you know in the comments below, but this police interceptor is pretty cool. I wonder how it's gonna perform on the track. Let's see the Dodge Charger Drift on the track. I really like that matte blue color on this one. Not bad at all. It's a very heavy casting, so it does lose a bit of speed there coming out of the loop for the second time. But you know what? It's a pretty cool car. Not too bad on the track. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright, next up, it's car 8 of 10, the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. Man, take a look, it's a paramedic van this time around. I really like these Ford Transit Connects. We've got a few in the collection here in the Hot Wheels Garage, and this bright orange paramedic one is pretty cool. Nice white interior, white side skirts there. We've got those blue rimmed wheels, pretty cool. I actually really like it. I think it's my favorite of the two. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you've smashed a big thumbs up and we'll check this one out on the track. So the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect paramedic car in orange, man, this is my guess of the best for the two today. Yeah, take a look, very good track star car. Nice, it slows down a little bit there, but it's pretty cool. You can hardly even see it on the orange track, but for me, that's a big thumbs up. I really love the Ford Transit Connect.